So before we continue with this video, I would first of all want to apologize for the cracked screen that you see right now. It's quite unusual. I would always check the screen of any tricycle, any keke that I would want to get into to make videos before ever getting into it. But on this day, I don't know how I totally forgot to check the screen. I didn't realize that this keke had a cracked screen until I brought out my phone to film, and it was already late. We had already gone far into the journey, and I didn't want to have issues with the keke driver, so I had to continue like that. Please pardon me. I promise it will never happen again. Okay, so this is Dozie Way, Umuahia. This road was reconstructed and finally commissioned last year November. This road connects you to places like Ikotekmene Road, Aheke and Lodu. Moving downwards, it takes you straight to Lodu, but we're going to be diverting somewhere along this road to Dozie Way bypass, which links Dozie Way to Ikotekmene Road at Aheke. This road helps to decongest traffic on Ikotekmene Road during very severe traffic congestion. So there's a road construction work going on along Dozie Way bypass, which you're going to be seeing very soon. So stay tuned and go nowhere. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share this video as much as you can, and I'll see you soon. So this is Dozie Way bypass, and this particular road connects you to Aheke. So you can see the road construction work going on along this road at the moment, or at the time of shooting this video. They were actually scraping off the old quota, and they've also constructed the drainages along this road, which you are going to be seeing too. So yeah, let me just tell you the truth. Before 2 years time, you're not going to recognize Umuahia anymore. Currently, we have a lot of road construction work going on in every corner of the state, not just Umuahia, and it's a good and welcome development, and I can't wait to see what our city Umuahia will be looking like before 2 years time. So for those of you calling Umuahia city a glorified village, I would want to see your comments even before 2 years time, because the transformation going to happen in my city, you would feel very sorry for calling Umuahia city a glorified village. I tell you, keep on watching, my people. Lighting my path, drawing me near. Your grace, it shines, illuminating these times. Grace like rain falls down on me, washing away my iniquity. So I noticed something about this area. One major thing I noticed here is that it's quite cool to live in. It has a serene environment. Okay, so yeah, this is what the road is looking like at the moment. I'll try my best to bring updates on this construction work going on along this road. Okay, so just keep on watching. Dancing through life, so blissfully free. Let it rain down. Please, I would love you to let me know in the comment section what you think of this road construction work along this road, and at the same time appreciate our able governor in the person of His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma Otti for a job well done. All that he's doing in the states, we Anambra appreciate, sir. God bless immensely, sir, for all you do. Grace like rain, my heart's complete. So we're gradually approaching IHK. So if you watched up until now, thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this video as much as you can, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye.